Welcome back once again, people. Thank you for stopping by. This is a quick update on the swimming pool. So as you can see, they've been able to lay the second blocks. So now the iron rods is in between the blocks, and they're going to mix some concrete and do the casting. So the goal is for them to do it today, because fortunately the weather has been good for a couple of days, but raining, we don't know whether if they started to rain again, because it's raining so often in Ghana. Every other day it's basically raining in Accra and Tama, and I think the whole country is experiencing that. So hopefully they can get it completed and everything, and then the plumber can come and lay the pipes. Now, as you can see, we will still do another layer of blocks just on top. So we lay those. So far we've used 752 blocks according to what the foreman counted. So I think we still have a few blocks to use still, but that's the plan, because we want to take the level up so that the pool will pop out, instead of leveling with at the same level with the filling. We wanted to show. So we'll do one level, and then when they do the finishing, the coping will be on the top. So as you can see, they started filling, and I want you to listen to some of the conversation I will have with the supervisor as the filling is going on. So check this one out as I have that conversation with him. So you do this and stop, or you gonna continue? Yeah, because of time. Yeah. Hono. Atrenko. The block is here, lay and check. The brother was on. Yes, I say, Monday. Yeah. So as you heard, they were afraid that that side that they have the bamboo and the blocks kind of holding it will break, because they were putting a lot of the concrete in between. So they stopped, and they came the next day and completed it. So everything is now complete. The plumber is coming on site to do his work. So we bought, as I told you, we bought 8 of the pressure pipes instead of the 15 they estimated. So I saved money there, because these pressure pipes cost a lot of money. So it's been raining often, and the plumber probably will be on site today, and it will start raining again. As you can see, I will not be surprised if it rains again as he's doing his work. But so far so good. We'll see how it goes. After the plumber does his work, we're going to hold off before plastering. So thank you guys for watching my channel. As always, comment, subscribe, share, and like. Let me know what you think. But so far so good. Thank you very much. The plumber is doing a very wonderful work at the moment. He's on site, as you can see on your screen there. He's going to lay his pipes. So hopefully that will be done soon. So thank you so much. Have a nice day, and see you next time.